Did you know the smartest creature in the ocean might also be the weirdest? And possibly the most alien? Octopuses can solve mazes, open jars, and even recognize individual people. Yeah, you could have a pet octopus that actually knows your face. And get this, some scientists say their DNA is so bizarre, it's unlike anything else on Earth. Out of 33,000 protein coding genes, many are totally unique. No wonder people joke they're aliens. They have 9 brains, 3 hearts, and their arms literally think for themselves. If you cut one off, it might keep moving like it has its own mind. Who designed this thing? Sci-fi writers? Alien or not, the octopus is one of nature's wildest experiments, and it's still blowing scientists' minds. Next time you see one, just know, it might be watching you too.